Teachers declare full-day strike on March 28, demanding urgent salary review amidst rising cost of living. Sanapena mashoko atakuona kuti aiwa maticha panguva ino waya vachiti aiwa musa 28 March aiwa ndo day redu aiwa tirange riri a full day strike tichikumbira kuti aiwa the government irevhile imbonotarisa kuti aiwa panguva ino pari kuno kwanzi cost of living aiwa they are rapidly increasing. Vanofanira kuita an urgent salary review panguva ino. Sanapinda masvika mudanyirwa panapa unogona subscribe like on the bell like tipinda panapa muchinji redio mudanyirwa chi the teachers of Zimbabwe have approached us and told us that they are now living in serious poverty. They can no longer afford the basics. Some of them can't afford transport to work. Some can't afford health care, education, among the basics. But the Constitution of Zimbabwe ensures that every worker has the right to a fair wage. So given this kind of background, we have asked the teachers what is the way forward. And the teachers say they want to go on a full day strike on the 28th of March. So the 28th of March is day of action for the teachers, where they are going to be tabling one demand to the employer, who is the government. The single demand is that the teachers of Zimbabwe are asking government to review their salaries in line with the tradition of quarterly adjustment of salaries to follow the cost of living. So the cost of living has been changing, but our salaries have not been adjusted in 2025. So government is up to the 27th to adjust our salaries in line with the cost of living. Thomas Konfratsanongorani ma-teachers aiwa vachiexpressa aiwa their own challenges vachiti aiwa the government panapa tiri kuona kuti aiwa inenge yakakanganwa ikaona patiri kuona kuti cost of living aiwa yakachinja aiwa panguva panapa recently and now in 2025 increase again. Panapa pane achiti aiwa tirikuapa a period up to 27 kuti aiwa vamborevhiewa masalaries edu. Tudze mafunguro enyu mutodipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi chiri kuitika panguva ino tirikuona kuti chaos is rocking in Zimbabwe. People they are planning my protest against mutungamiri wenyika. Pinda comment section menudze mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.